When it comes to overland escapades and remote expeditions, the EarthRoamer SX, a recent addition to the market, has become an emblem of opulence and prowess among expedition vehicles. However, its hefty price tag of nearly $1 million may render it inaccessible to many. Thankfully, there exist several alternatives that provide a comparable blend of durability, off-road prowess, and lavish features. Thus, in today's video, we'll explore the top 5 alternatives to the EarthRoamer SX. Are you looking for an off-road camper that can conquer any terrain with ease? The Armadillo Expedition XRunner is the answer. This one's built on a sturdy Ford F550 chassis, combining rugged durability with luxurious comfort. It has a powerful 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine that can deliver 350 horsepower and 635 newton-meters of torque. Additionally, it has a 10-speed automatic transmission with mode selection and an air suspension system that can adjust the height of the vehicle according to the terrain. This XRunner is not only strong, but also smart. It has a solar power system that can provide electricity for the living area, a water purification system that can filter water from any source, and a sleek design that reduces drag and improves stability. All these features make it a great alternative to EarthRoamer SX. Though the EarthRoamer SX has a larger solar array and battery pack, but the XRunner has a bigger fuel tank and water capacity. And both RVs have similar interior features and layouts, but the XRunner offers more customization options. So if you're looking for an overland vehicle that can go anywhere and do anything, the Armadillo Expedition XRunner is a great option. If you prefer a compact off-road camper without compromising on comfort, the 27 North Ascender is the perfect choice. It's also based on the Ford F550 chassis and features a powerful 6.7-liter Powerstroke V 8-turbo diesel engine that gives it the torque and power to handle any terrain. With a 10-speed torque-shift automatic transmission, it delivers 475 horsepower and 1,050 foot-pounds of torque to all 4 wheels. It also has a solar panel system with a 24,000 watt-hours lithium-ion battery bank to provide power when you are away from the grid. Now let's talk about the cool stuff. This thing is smart, like having a remote control for your whole ride. You can tweak the temperature, keep an eye on power use, and make sure your ride is super secure, all from a nifty app. Despite its compact size, it offers a spacious interior that includes a fully equipped kitchen, a comfortable sleeping area, and a modern bathroom. Whether you're exploring national parks or going on an epic road trip, this will provide all the amenities you need for an unforgettable camping experience. With its versatility and functionality, it's a strong contender as an EarthRoamer SX alternative. Now let's look into another alternative of EarthRoamer SX, which is the Lance Altimeter. It's perfect for those seeking a versatile and well-designed off-road camper. It's got fancy stuff like a strong suspension system, air springs, and sway bars for a smooth ride. The wheels have tough Maxxis RAZR MT tires on them, and there's a worn ascent bumper up front. To keep it powered up, they've put in 3 big Battleborn batteries. It also attaches firmly to it with torque lift frame tie-downs and fast gun turnbuckles. Plus, it has nifty extras like a Rotopack storage box, a Xeon 12S Platinum winch for help if you get stuck, and some extra LED lights for better visibility. Measuring 18 feet in length and with a dry weight of 2,997 pounds, the Lance 855S truck camper offers spacious and comfortable accommodation for up to 4 people. Its innovative design includes a pop-up roof, providing extra headroom and ventilation. With its durable construction and attention to detail, the Lance Altimeter offers both comfort and performance. If you value flexibility and reliability, this camper is an excellent alternative to the EarthRoamer SX. Next up, we have the EBA Camp, a compact expedition vehicle that can take you anywhere in comfort and style. This camper is based on the Mercedes-Benz Unimog truck, which is known for its off-road performance and durability. It has a 4.2-liter engine with 150 horsepower and many features that make it a great choice for adventurers. Unlike the EarthRoamer SX, it's much more affordable. Though it's not as luxurious as the EarthRoamer, still its four-wheel drive system, high ground clearance, and off-grid capabilities make it a good alternative to the EarthRoamer SX. Additionally, it has an awning for outdoor relaxation, upper LED lighting for better visibility, and additional thermal and acoustic insulation of the cabin for more comfort. Its container is made of a 5-layer Piet sandwich, which is stronger and more resistant to temperature and moisture. The camper unit is also a 100% winter version, meaning it can withstand cold weather conditions. And that's not all. It also has clean water tanks of 250 liters and dirty water tanks of 70 liters, so you don't have to worry about water supply. That means this expedition vehicle is more than just a vehicle, it's like a home on wheels. At last, we have the TruckHouse BCT. First off, it packs a supercharged 3.5-liter V6 engine for some serious oomph, and you can shift gears either manually or let it do the work with an automatic transmission. But what truly sets this rig apart is its off-road prowess. Its expedition long travel suspension, combined with drilled and slotted disc brakes and massive 6-piston front and 4-piston rear brake calipers, gives you the confidence to beat on rugged terrain. If you get stuck, it has front and rear winches to help you out. Plus, it has a strong alternator and a snorkel to handle tough conditions. It also has a strong chassis and some cool features like a carbon fiber shell, extra storage, and outdoor stuff like a soundbar and solar panels. Similar to the EarthRoamer SX, the BCT is made for off-road journeys, but it's a bit different. Both have strong engines and can handle rough roads, but the BCT has some unique features like its winches and snorkel. So, if you want a super tough truck for your adventures, this will be a great choice. It's like a blend of power and comfort for the rugged road ahead. So that was our video on the 5 best EarthRoamer SX alternatives. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.